Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video topic is coding, decoding. It is a topic of reasoning. Reasoning, as you all know, it is one of the most important topic in competitive exams. Now, what do you mean by coding and decoding? So the coding is, it is the process of sending a information or sending a data from one person to another person in such a way that only the sender and the receiver will get its actual meaning. Means without knowing its meaning to the third person. Means why we use coding? To keep our information confidential, coding is being used. Now, what do you mean by decoding? Decoding is just the reverse process of coding. Means it is the process of converting the coded information back into the original form. Okay? Now, while doing the questions of coding and decoding, we should know about these facts. Now, what are the things that we should know? First is position numbers of letters in alphabets. Alphabets, as you all know, there are 26 letters in our alphabets. Okay, so these are 26 letters and these are the numbers of these letters. A, 1, A comes at the first place, B at second place, C third, D fourth and so on. Z is at the 26th place. Now, this is the position number of letters in reverse order. So, this was in forward order, this is in reverse order. Means now Z will come at the first place. Z, we are denoting Z by 1, Y by 2, X by 3, W by 4, V by 5 and so on, and by this way A will come at 26th place. Okay. Now, we should know about half reverse pairs and full reverse pairs also. Now, what are half reverse pairs? As you know, there are 26 alphabets. So, till M there are 13 alphabets. If I will write like this, A, B, C, D, E and so on till M, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, M. Then after M, N, O, P, Q and so on till Z. So these are half reverse pairs A N, B O, C P, D Q and so on. Okay. And what are full reverse pairs? Full reverse pairs means while writing the full reverse pair, we will start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Then after M, we will write in reverse order. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Means the opposites. The opposite of A will be Z. As you can see, opposite of A is Z. Opposite of B is Y. Opposite of C will be X, opposite of D will be W and so on. So in few questions you will see that these pairs will also be used. Now in some questions you will find that numbers will be used as a code for the words. So that type of questions we will do later. Now let's start. Here the question number 1 is, if basket is written as TEKSAB, how can pillow be written in that code? Means first we have to find the relation or find the code between these two and then accordingly we will find our answer. Now write basket here. B, A, S, K, E and T. Now, see how we are writing basket? P, E, K, S, A, B. So, just find the pattern between these two. So, by looking at these two, you can see that here the first letter is becoming the last letter and the last letter is becoming the first letter. Okay. Similarly, the second letter is becoming the second last, and here the second last is becoming the second letter, and similarly here. Now by using this pattern we can find our answer. So just write below here P I double L O W. Now this last letter will become the first letter W, and this will become the last letter P. Now O will come at the second place and I will come here at the second last place. Similarly L and L. So our answer will be W-O-L-L-I-P. W-O-L-L-I-P. This means second option will be our correct option. Okay, so we have to just find the code used there, and by using that code we will find our answer. Now come to the next question. It is, if on is written as GCTP, how near can be written in that code? So the first thing is, you can see that in on and in near the letters are same, EARN, EARN. So let's write the word here, on, and what is the code? GCTP. Means for E we are using G, for A we are using C, for R we are using T, and for N we are using P. Now similarly we will find our answer for near, N-E-A-R. For N we are using P, for E which letter we are using? G, for A we are using C, and for R we are using T. So our answer will be P, G, C, T. This C option will be our correct option. Or we can find our answer by another way also. What is the another way? Just write on and write GCTP. Because in all the question you will not find the letters same. Okay, so you have to learn that how to find the second alternate method. So E, how can we get G? E, F, G means we are doing plus 2, A, B, C plus 2, R, S, T plus 2, and N, O, P plus 2. Means to get these letters we are doing plus 2. We are moving in forward direction by 2 letters. Similarly, we will find our answer for near, N-E-A-R. So after N what will come? O and O, P. P will come plus 2. After E, F, G, we will get G. After A, we will get C. And after R, we will get S, T. So by this way, also you will get the same answer. P, G, C, T. So you can use any method. Okay. Now, our next question is, if Delhi can be coded as CCIDD, how would you code Bombay? Means we have to find the code used between these two, and by using that code we will find our answer. Okay. Now let's write Delhi here. Leave the space between them, between the letters. Okay. Delhi, and here I am writing C, C, I, D, D. Now let's find the pattern between these two. D, here D is coded as C, means we are moving in the backward direction by 1 letter, means -1. Now in place of E we are using C, means we are moving in the backward direction by 2 letters, so -2. Now for L we are using I, 1, 2, 3, so -3. For H, where is H? For H we are using D, means 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 4 letters in backward direction. So -4. And what is for I? I is here and we are using D, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are moving 5 letters in backward direction. So -5. Means the code that is being used here is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. We are moving in backward direction by these numbers of letters. Now similarly, now we will write Bombay here. B, O, M, B, A, Y. Now for the first letter, we will do -1. What will we get? A. Okay. Now for the second letter O. O is there. We will move in backward direction by 2 letters. So 1 and 2. We will get M. Now here it is M. Means what we have to do? -3. Here we have to do -4. Then -5 and -6. Now for M, -3, 1, 2, 3. We will write J here. For B, -4. B is there. We have to do -4, 1. Then 2, 3 and 4. X. Now for A, -5. A is there. Means 5 letters in backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. V. And for Y, it's here -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will write S. Means our option will be AM, JX, VS. Means second option will be our correct option. Okay. So first you have to find the pattern being used between the given two words, and then by using the same pattern you have to find your answer. Okay. Now the next question is, if A is coded as 26, Sun is coded as 27. Now here you can see that we are using numbers. Then cat is equal to. So A is 26. Where is A 26? Here. In reverse order, the number of A is 26. Means we are using this alphabet series. Now Sun is equal to 27. So Sun. For S, what is the number of S? 8. So I am writing Sun here. And the number of S is 8 plus. What is the number of U? So we will use this series only here because it is given that A is 26. That's why we are using this series. For U is here +6 and last is N. N is left. For N, the number is 13. Now add these three. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 13 is 27. So by the same way we will find the code for cat. Write cat here, CAT. So what is the number of C? It is 24. Write 24. What is the number of A? A is here at 26th place. Write 26 in place of A. And for T, where is T? It is at 7th place. So write 7 here. Now we will add these three. 24 plus 26. It is 50. 50 plus 7 is 57. So our answer will be C option. 57. Now we will move on to the next question. It is, if Go is equal to 32, She is equal to 49, then sum will be equal to. So how we will find out? First we will check the code of Go. G-O, Go, 32. So let's check in this. G is at 20th place and O is at 12th place. If we will add 20 and 12, then we are getting 32. Means again in this question also we are using the position numbers of letters in reverse order. Means we are using this alphabet series. Now Go is 32. How it is 32? G is 20, O is 12. So it is equal to 32. She, S-H-E, she means what is the number of S? S is at 8th place, 8 plus H. H is at 19th place and E is at 22nd place. Now we will add these three. 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus 19 is 49. Now similarly, we will find the code of sum. S-O-M-E. So what is the number of S? We can write from here also 8 plus what is the number of O? O is at 12th place, 12. What is the number of M? We can check from here. M is at 14th place. And the last one is E. E is at 22 place. Now we will add all these. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 plus 14 is 34. And 34 plus 22, it will be 56. So our answer will be 56. We have to check the options. And it is at option A, 56. Okay. So this is the way of doing the questions when numbers are given. We have to check the numbers here by using the alphabet series, that whether we are using the numbers in forward order or in reverse order. Okay, so let's do one more question. Now, our next question is, if at is coded as 20, bat is coded as 40, then cat will be equal to? Now, let's start. At, so is equal to 20. So, the number of A is 1 and the number of T is 20. Okay, so let's write 1 and 20. If we will add these two, then we will get 21. But here the number is given 20. So which operation we will use to get 20? We will multiply 1 and 20 and we will get 20. Now this we will check in bat also. So for bat, B-A-T. So the number of B is 2, number of A is 1 and number of T is 20. Now again, if we will add, then what will we get? We will get 23. But here it is given 40. Means by multiplying, we will get 40. 2 multiplied by 20 will be 40. This means in this question, we will use this alphabet series, and instead of adding, in this question we added, here we will multiply. Okay. So the code for cat will be, right, C-A-T, cat. So C will be at third place, 3, multiplied by A is at first place and the number of T is 20. Now multiply these 3. 3 1 is 3 and multiplied by 20 we will get 60. So our answer will be 60, means option C will be our correct option. Okay, if at is 20, bat is 40, then cat will be equal to 60. Now, similarly, you can solve any question. Now, I hope that you understood that how to solve the questions of coding and decoding. So friends, if you like this video, then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thanks for watching.